Windak is one of the world's leading providers of intelligent material handling and packaging solutions, with almost 20 years of experience in wire, cable, tube, hose, and automotive industries. Windak's CES P614 case erector and spool packer is developed for automatic packaging of spools into boxes, sealing of boxes, labeling, rotation of the boxes, and making ready for palletizing in different patterns. Maximum packing speed is 6 spools per minute for small box size and 8 spools per minute for the big box, which makes production even more efficient and fast. Automatic case erector and sealer includes empty case magazine for up to 25 cartons. All adjustments for various carton sizes are made automatically via electric motors. The operator needs only to select the carton type and size from the HMI recipe screen. Operation process is operator-friendly and safe. The vacuum cups open the cartons from the top and bottom while lifting them from the case magazine. The empty carton is placed onto the packing table with both ends open. Spools are diverted from the main line conveyor and placed into the loading position. The spools are then pushed into the empty cartons, 1 or 2 at a time, depending on box size. A bead of glue is placed on the folded inner flaps. The outer flaps are then closed, completing the folding, gluing sequence. Each carton is weighed to make sure the correct number of spools is packed. The carton is then moved onto the main line conveyor. Maximum speed is 2 to 3 boxes per minute. CES P614 machine includes the glue sealer. Both sides of the box will be sealed with a bead of hot melt glue using a Graco Invisipack unit before being moved back onto the mainline conveyor. The Invisipack system has a uniquely designed melt-on-demand heating surface. The larger surface melts adhesive quickly and dispenses it immediately, when and how you need it. As an additional options for CES P614, we can offer system to place the labels on the spools and label the box on one side. Windak customers demand cost-effective solutions with short payback time. The CES P614 offers maximum efficiency and high output. Be productive and save with Windak's intelligent solutions.